Earth spins out of control. The Jupiter speed scenario. Alright, picture this. What if Earth spun as fast as Jupiter? Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, completes one rotation in just about 10 hours. That's more than twice as fast as Earth's current 24-hour spin. So, what would happen if our planet suddenly picked up the pace? First up, let's talk day and night. With a 10-hour rotation, days and nights would each last just 5 hours. Sunrise, sunset. Boom, it'd all happen in a flash. Forget lazy mornings or long evenings. The world would be in a constant rush, with the sun zipping across the sky like it's late for an appointment. Now, let's get physical, literally. Earth's faster spin means stronger centrifugal force at the equator. Right now, you weigh a tiny bit less at the equator because of this, but if Earth spun like Jupiter, you'd feel about 1.5 times lighter at the equator. Imagine jumping higher, running faster, dunking a basketball. But don't get too excited. Gravity isn't going anywhere, and the effects get wild. Our planet's shape would change too. Earth is already a little squished at the poles. With Jupiter-level speed, it'd bulge out even more. Equator puffing up, poles flattening. Equator could rise by several kilometers. Oceans rushing toward the equator, flooding low-lying areas, leaving polar regions drier. Cities like Singapore or Quito might be underwater. Weather would get extreme, fast. Jupiter's rapid spin fuels massive storms, supercharged winds whipping around the globe, monster hurricanes, wild jet streams. Atmosphere flattening, clouds and storms squeezed into fast-moving bands. Weather forecasts? Good luck keeping up. But wait, what about life? Plants and animals rely on the rhythm of day and night. 5-hour days would make photosynthesis struggle. Crops might fail. Animals could lose their sense of time. Humans? Rethink sleep schedules, rethink how we work and play. And here's the wildest part. Centrifugal force could overcome gravity at the equator. The ground would literally lift off. But don't worry, that's not happening anytime soon. So, what if Earth rotated as fast as Jupiter? Shorter days, lighter bodies, wild storms, a planet that looks totally different. A reminder of how perfectly balanced Earth really is. Thanks for spinning through this thought experiment with me. Hit like, subscribe. Tell me what planet you want to visit next. No spacesuit required.